Hi everyone, welcome back. And if you are new here, I am Khushi, and in today's video, I am going to create this lilac makeup look. This is no foundation makeup look using just a single eyeshadow for my whole eye. So let's get started. So I am not going to use any primer today. Instead, I am going to use this cream. This is Pond's Light's moisturizer. So before we move forward, I also want to moisturize my lips, and for that I am using this Maybelline Baby Lip. So for my base, I am not going in with the foundation. Today I am going to keep it very simple. I am just going to use some concealer, and so for concealer, I am using this Swiss Beauty concealer in shade 02. For compact, I am using Fit Me Compact. For my eyeshadow base, I am using my Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer, and I am just going to place it in to my eyelid and just dab it in instead of moving it around. So now we are going to do the eyeshadow, and for that I just use a single shade for this whole look. I keep it very easy. I use this shade from this Mars eyeshadow palette. So for the first step, you need a blending brush. As you know that we have already applied the eyeshadow base and we did set it in place. So first you need a blending brush. So this brush is from Amazon. I start with my crease. I'm going to use different brush, but I am going to use the same color. I am just taking the brush and making sure that it's completely coated with this color. So when you pack an eyeshadow, it becomes more vibrant, and when you blend it out, it looks more soft. I am using the same color, but I am using a different brush. Now again I am going to take my blending brush and I am just going to blend it out. So we don't have any harsh edges, although it's just one color, but still. For eyeliner, I am using my Maybelline liquid eyeliner. Now we are going to use same shade and we are going to apply it on lower lash line. And again I am going to change my brush, and this is again from Amazon. For mascara, I am using Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. So the eyes are done, and let's get back to the face makeup. For that I am going to use this blush, and for highlighter I am going to use this Swiss Beauty highlighter. Now for the lips, I want to keep them peachy. First I am using this This is Canada Crayon Lipstick. I don't know the shade name, but it will be in the description box. Now to fill my lips, I am going to use this Maybelline liquid lipstick in shade 02. Alright everyone, that's it for the video. I hope you guys like this look. If you did, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell. I see you guys in the next video. Bye.